Okay, Tony, we have speed. In 3, 2, 1. And you are live.
I know. Starting your own drone service business, it's a remarkable journey. However, it's a journey chock full of loops, twists, and turns with a clear path to success that will evade most. We may feel like crackerjack drone pilots, and that may be true. But starting and flying a profitable drone service business is a whole other plot twist. My pop, who owned Italian restaurants in Los Angeles for nearly 50 years, used to say, just because you can make a great sauce doesn't mean you should go and open a restaurant, right? Most proficient drone pilots are in that same vat of sauce. Badass at the controls, but not so badass at starting and running an aerial endeavor. If you want to gain clients, then you've got to go and market your drone expertise to them. They cannot buy from you if they know not who you are, what you do, let alone how well you do it. Most drone pilots are not sure where to go to get the best of the best in drone service marketing resources. So what do they commonly do? They go a-searching. And this is where things usually get weird, bizarre, and abundantly insane. Sadly, many of our passionate fellow drone pilots continue to get themselves anxiously lured in, then viciously hooked by the onslaught of hype and the sensationalized spin presented by the ever-popping up, in-your-face, self-crowned marketing gurus who themselves probably couldn't even close an open-faced sandwich. Or how about the quagmire and cacophony of unaccredited online resources that promise record-breaking results but deliver not much more than a meaningless wisp of hot air? Inside this issue of Drone Business Strategy magazine, we're going to talk about the 5 critical marketing hype pitfalls, along with solutions to help every drone pilot connect or draw inspiration from aligning with the right marketing resources and expert consultants who can actually drive measurable results for your drone business brand, so you never get burned, you never get battered, or you never get bruised. Thanks for joining us. As a drone pilot, I'm sure you know that flying requires precision and skill, right? But when it comes to marketing your drone service brand, it's super easy to get swept up in the vortex of empty promises and flashy hype, only to wind up with a gaping hole right in the center of your wallet. Another one of our fellow drone pilots, Ron C. from Calabasas, California, asked this: as I am building my drone business, I need some real marketing help. I recently spent money with one marketing group and got way less than expected. How can I know who or what to trust out there? Yes, indeed, it can feel like every Tom, Dick, or Mary proclaims to be a drone business marketing expert. So it's easy to get all tangled up in the hype and the over-the-top claims. Ron, I can assure you, there are some very smart marketing resources out there. In fact, I share a few solid go-to drone pilot marketing resources to check out and decide upon in the description section below. But for now, let's go ahead and run with Ron's concern. In today's issue of Drone Business Strategy magazine, we will consider 5 essential strategies to help you identify the best-in-class marketing consultants, tools, or resources that will deliver real, measurable results so we all can avoid falling for the tall tales, the boisterous banner, the sensational spin, or the rampant rhetoric. Strategy 1, demand a proven track record. Carve out the time and mental energy to purposely look and accurately identify a marketing consultant and or marketing savvy resources with a proven client-driven track record. Ask yourself, have they successfully marketed businesses similar to yours? Ask for case studies, client references, or measurable data demonstrating how they've delivered results. Should they come up with a cockamamie excuse for not sharing their work due to some client privacy clause, you want to walk away immediately, if not sooner. Also, consider their level of education. A consultant with a bachelor's in marketing, an MBA, or even a PhD in a relevant field is often better equipped to conduct the analysis you need, such as the SWOT analysis, which is strengths and weaknesses, competitive research, and financial forecasting, not to mention operating your business profitably on a daily basis. In fact, it's that diversity of street smarts teamed with a scholarly education that supports our aerial agency's differentiation strategy, which helps us sustain our competitive advantage. Now, a college degree is not the end all, but consider the expertise by combining a solid background in the drone business with an academic marketing background. This can provide a significant advantage for your aerial brand. Strategy 2, check their industry knowledge. Does the drone business marketing consultant or resource truly understand our industry, the drone industry? How about the local market, the one you're going to serve? How familiar are they with that? Marketing a tech-driven business like yours is very different from promoting a coffee shop. Beware of so-called drone pilot marketing groups or resources that charge you a fee only to offer a cookie-cutter, one-size-fits-all boilerplate approach. Now, if you do choose to invest in a drone business marketing template, such as a video series or an online course, make sure you understand the pros and cons and be sure to set realistic expectations. Marketing strategy is never a one-size-fits-all. While all drone pilots fly drones, each drone business is unique. Your target market, the geographic location, the demographics, and even psychographics differ market to market. Your marketing strategy should reflect that. Now, authentic drone business marketing experts or authentic online resources are going to be far better equipped to recognize these differences and craft a tailored plan specific to your drone business goals. Strategy 3, insist on measurable goals and refrain from ambiguity. Be clear and concise about your expected results. Here's one you can take to the bank. If you can't measure it, it's not worth doing. Any drone business marketing consultant or resource worth considering should outline and clarify measurable goals up front without the ambiguity. For example, if they promise more leads, ask them how many and in what time frame. Never accept vague or mystic promises like improved brand presence or winning more clients without first understanding the specifics. Now, whether you're working with a marketing consultant or choosing a particular tool or platform, it's important that they can demonstrate how they will track and deliver on highly detailed data-driven goals. This is exactly why so many all-in drone pilots see the value in participating with a skilled drone business marketing consultant. Now, whether they hold advanced degrees, such as an MBA, or they bring extensive School of Hard Knocks industry experience, their ability to set clear, measurable goals by applying proven marketing strategies like pro forma forecasting and competitive analysis ensures effective progress tracking. Now, while the upfront investment may be higher, so are the returns. The resulting brand growth, along with increased pilot earnings, make it what I believe to be a sound entrepreneurial investment option. Strategy 4. Watch out for the red flags. Keep up your guard. Smooth talk doesn't always mean substance. So be wary of someone who relies on buzzwords like brand synergy, game changer. How about this one? Next gen, without offering real measurable strategies. And remember, marketing your drone business is not a one-size-fits-all effort. Now, whether you're consulting with someone or using a marketing tool, focus on customized strategies. As I already brushed over earlier, a drone business marketing consultant with advanced education brings analytical expertise to areas like competitive analysis, situation analysis, and capital forecasting, all critical for your business's success. Watch out for those cookie cutter resources that don't reflect the uniqueness of your aerial brand. And remember this, if you pick up bad habits or advice along the way from someone who claims to be all things drone marketing, you could wind up crash landing your drone business faster than you could say DJI. And strategy number 5, test before you commit. Don't commit long-term right away. Check your emotions at the controls, but rely on pure logic and reason. Why not start with a small project before you go all in on a full contract or extended subscription? Try hiring them for a smaller project or trial period to see if their strategies deliver actual results as promised. Listen to their words, but more importantly, watch their actions. This reduces the risk of watching your cash fly out the window, and it ensures they've tailored their drone business marketing approach to satisfy your brand's unique needs, from accurately identifying your target market to the ever-changing competitive forces. Now, whether it's a drone business marketing consultant, a platform, or a digital course, The best resources will always demonstrate their true value by addressing your unique business challenges and goals rather than locking you into a limited time, one-size-fits-all template. All right, let's summarize. Choosing the right drone business marketing consultant or resource is a crucial decision for every drone pilot entrepreneur. And by applying these 5 strategies, you'll find the right resources that bring your aerial agency real and measurable value, not just empty promises and time-wasting hype. Remember, it's your drone business, your investment, and your future. Whether you're working with a drone business marketing consultant, a specific tool, taking a course, or any other resource, the key is to focus on proven expertise, measurable results, and customized strategies. Beware of those one-size-fits-all approaches. Your brand is unique, and your marketing strategy should always reflect that. Here's your key takeaway. Look for proven experience, industry knowledge, measurable goals, red flags, and test before committing. Choose professionals and resources who prioritize tailored solutions, not just the one-size-fits-all approaches. That's a wrap for this session of Drone Pilot MBA, Drone Marketing Hype, 5 pitfalls every pilot must know. Big thanks to Ron for his question today, and you'll find more information and helpful links from today's session in the description below. I've written over 160 articles full of strategies to help you expand your drone business wisely. Be sure to explore all the free resources at aerialnorthwest.com to help you fortify your drone service business. If you found today's insights valuable, don't forget to click the like button. And for more practical drone pilot tips and strategies, subscribe to the channel. I'm always working hard to bring you the best in drone business strategy. Like Drone Pilot Ron, if you have any questions or ideas for future issues of Drone Business Strategy Magazine, drop them in the comment section below. Until next time, I wish you clear skies and fun flights. I'm Tony Marino. Thanks for watching, and keep on droning. Looks good. I like it. I like it. I like it. To more profitably thrive. Do I have lint on the shirt? Because last time I had like a really crazy hair on my shirt most of the time. Managing invoices, tracking expenses, and filing taxes. As a soldier, you're in the thick of it. Testing 1, 2. Test. Are your ears bleeding? You're juggling flights. Do we have like balls? I could do some juggling if you want to. As a sole drone, throw the ball and I could juggle. If you have any questions, let us know. If you have any comments, leave them below. If you'd like to hire us, you can get more information by visiting aerialnorthwest.com. Be smart, safe, and fly responsibly.